No, ma'am.
So, Srinath, you have to share your website through WhatsApp, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. And Manvita, have you completed practicing with Lovable AI tool?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. After you finished creating a website using that Lovable tool, so please share it in the group, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So today I'm going to explain you another tool. Yes. So today we are going to discuss Gamma AI tool. So have you listened this tool?
No, ma'am.
So Gamma AI. So
Yes,
generally,
ma'am.
why we use this tool? So why we use
For,
this tool? Any idea?
for creating photos, ma'am.
Photos?
Images.
No. సో మెయిన్ గా జనరల్ గా డిఫరెంట్ వెబ్సైట్స్ లో డిఫరెంట్ అప్లికేషన్స్ వస్తూ ఉంటాయి కదా. సో అలా ఒక్కొక్క టూల్ ఒక్క పర్పస్ కోసం స్పెసిఫైడ్. సో అలా మనకు గామా ఏఐ దేనికోసం మెయిన్ గా డిజైన్ చేశారు అంటే ఇనిషియల్ స్టేజెస్ లో దిస్ వాస్ డెవలప్డ్ ఫర్ క్రియేటింగ్ ప్రెజెంటేషన్స్. డూ యూ నో వాట్ ఈస్ ప్రెజెంటేషన్? Presentations.
Yes, ma'am.
So serving something in front of anyone.
Yes, PPTs. Okay. So we can create slides with simple prompt. By giving prompt, this AI tool is going to generate a beautiful presentation. There are many other options in this Gamma AI tool, but this is an excellent tool for creating presentations. Okay. So let me open the tool. The tool name is Gamma. So if you enter Gamma, you'll see the gamma.app, gamma.app. Okay, so after opening this site, just do sign up with your Gmail. Okay, so for any tool, we'll do the same process, like you have to do sign up with your Gmail account. Okay, so after doing sign up, you will get this interface. Okay, so here there are number of options. Okay, so here whatever all the projects we have created, we can see in the media folder. So we can use some ready-made templates over here for creating presentations. Okay, so this is also the library of projects what we have designed. Okay, so settings, some basic settings for our for creating a workspace over here. Okay, so the main purpose of Gamma is what? To create a presentation. Okay, so first you need to do sign up with your Gmail account. You will get this interface. Okay, so this is the home page of Gamma. Here you see create new option. Okay, so click here, create new. Okay, so if you click create new, so this interface you will get. What you're going to design? You want to generate a full presentation using a prompt. Okay, what is your input? It is asking what is your input. So now you want to design a presentation. So what is your input? You want to design the presentation from prompt. You want to design the presentation from a notes you are having. You want to design from ready-made templates. You have a file. So if you want to import that and create and convert that file to presentation. So what you want to do with this AI? It is asking. So now how we are going to design a presentation? With prompt. Okay, prompt is nothing but we have to give a detailed instruction, so that based on the instruction we have given, it is going to design a presentation. Okay, so here if you click generate, first option, click generate. See, here we are having number of options. What you want to generate? A presentation, web page. What is mean by web page? What is mean by a web page?
Ma'am, a page of a website is called web page.
Come again, Manvita.
A page of a website is called web page.
Okay. And Srinath, what is your answer? What is a web page? So web page. So generally, if you open any website, for example, so if I open one website like Amazon, okay, so or like eNodu, any other website, this is a website. So if I click the link, I'm getting a website of particular brand. So this website